what is the situation when we miss them a lot? That when there is a festival.
So you lose your parents?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was very attached to my mother. Yeah, you can say my mother was my first love. Like,
I just saw your message this
yeah,
morning.
the life without parents.
Life without parents, yeah. So I don't know. You can guide me on that one, maybe. Tell me kind of where that came from, I guess, as an idea.
Okay, so the life without parents.
Yeah.
If we think about this topic, so we can't imagine this situation, but it happened to me, and
Mhm.
it happens to many. So I think that we should talk on this topic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, because I think they are the ones when you born or when you come to the world.
Yeah.
So with their support, with their guidance, you know how to walk, how you can survive in the society. So
Yeah.
you,
Yeah.
yeah, so you never imagine that if they are not with us, so what will be the another thing in our life?
Yeah.
We can't think of this situation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
It's true. It's true because yeah, they're the people who guide you from when you first come on into the planet. So did you lose your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, I lost my mother in 2014 due to
Mm,
cardiac arrest, and my father in 2019. The same with him also.
the
Uh,
same. Oh my gosh.
yes, with the same like the cause cardiac arrest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
So,
wow.
ma'am, I think the parents are very important, because if
Yeah.
we think about, or if that the relatives, yeah, they are with you, but not always. That
Yeah.
they have something, the interest in your life, or they want something from you. But I think the relation that do not want anything, and that is unconditional, that is the parents.
Uh-huh.
The love that they give to their children, no
Yeah.
one can give. And that relation or the parent, you can't replace with any relation. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. And I think
That when we that what is the situation when we miss them a lot? That when there is a festival or any occasion,
yeah.
so there we miss them a lot. And
Yeah.
yeah, and it also happens, after I lost my parents. I don't feel the energy, or I don't very interested in the celebration of any festival,
Yeah.
because you can say there is nothing in your life if your parents are not with you.
Mm.
According to me, it's like that, because
Yeah.
I was very attached to my mother. Yeah, you can say my mother was my first love, like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah. And it's like something's missing. Whenever there's a celebration, like something's missing and it feels kind of wrong in a way to celebrate without them. Yeah.
uh,
Yeah. No matter what age people are, because well, actually, you're right. I know people who, for example, my mom uh, lost her parents, kind of like a. I mean, my mom was already like an adult. My grandma died 5 years ago, I think, and my mom now is 61, so she was already like, she was an adult. But then I have my sister-in-law, my brother's wife, lost her dad when she was 12 because he had brain cancer,
oh,
and it's like I guess you learn to live in a different way because she's lived like nearly her whole, now she's 33, but she's lived all that time without having her dad, and obviously it's like a big thing to lose someone at that age. And then there's other people that live, I know people who are like 70 and they still have their parents, because their parents live till like 90 something, so it's
yes, yes,
definitely.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.